What's up, guys? Bobby here from Pip Syndicate. I want to show you a way that we've been trading NASDAQ, and we got 14 wins in a row now. We trade live every day, Monday to Thursday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern. Okay, now this is just it's a simple way to trade. We use a couple of indicators. I'll list them below, but I'll show you now that we use. This one is a buy. It tells us bullish or bearish. So now we know it's bullish. We're looking for buys, so we're not going to be taking any sells. Okay, on this session. I just opened the chart here to a place, guys. I'm not trading live now, so you could go to my channel. Please like and subscribe, guys. Stop by if you want to see how we really trade this live. Like I said, we do it Monday to Thursday. Okay, so we use our session bias indicator here, guys. It's just free. All the indicators are free, guys. Okay, we have another indicator. All right, let me open these up here so I can show you. Okay, this one is FluidTrades SMC Lite. Okay, this is a paid indicator, but I use the free version. And this just puts on the chart the supplies and the demand zones on the chart for you. It's pretty cool. You know, I've been trying it out. I first put it on just to test it. They do have a paid version, guys. I'm not an affiliate. I don't use the paid version. I don't even know what they have in the paid version. But this works perfect enough for me for what we're doing. This is perfect. Okay, I use another indicator called the SMA 950 180 EMA 20 buy and sell. Okay, guys, I found this by accident. I was just looking for an SMA 9 to throw on the chart, and I saw this one. I figured out, let me just put this one on. I'll just shut the other ones off, you know. But as soon as I added it, I noticed it was giving me signals. I went back and tested the signals, and they're pretty awesome, man. You know, they've been worked. You know, they don't repaint. Now, is every signal good? No. If you're in, you know, if you're just in, you know, going up and down, you know, consolidation, man, it's not going to work. So you got to wait. You got to add the rules are we wait for it to be near one of our zones. Okay, here we're looking for a buy, right? So we want it to come down here somewhere. It's in a good area now because it's right on the support. And you know, yeah, that's it, man. We wait for our signal, or you could just get in if you're in. You don't have to wait for the signal. Sometimes I don't wait for the signal. If I get the candles that I'm looking for that tell me to enter, then I'll enter the trade. You know, like I said, we got 14 wins in a row, guys. We don't only use this on NAS. Okay, if I don't see a setup on NAS, I don't like to stay on the chart all day. I try to grab a trade as quick as possible. We're usually out of there by in like an hour and a half tops. You know. And you know, we try to get a quick trade, at least 20 pips. You know, sometimes we get 40, sometimes we get 60. You know, what we'll do is when I'll go to a higher time frame after I enter the trade, I'll pick an area right here. We'll probably get out here like TP1, right below here. I'll take 75 to 80% of the trade, move my stop loss into profit, and let it run. I'll pick another area, which will probably be right here, and there I'll close full. You know, and that's how we do. We do it every day, guys. So let me just show you. Yeah, we trade oil, we trade gold, and we trade US 30. I prefer to trade NAS, but if there's no setup on NAS, I won't take it. All right, let me just fast forward this. I'm going to show you how we get into a trade here. Okay, let me pause it. Okay, you can see here, it came down. We got the buy signal right here. See how it crossed the 9? At the close of this candle, I would have entered. This is a nice engulfing candle. I would have entered right there. Let me put a thing here just so we see it. You know, guys, I'm a bit of a caveman, so bear with me. I'm not great at streaming. I'm not great at making videos, but I got a pretty good win rate. Okay, so we're in the trade now. We would enter at the close of this candle. I usually wait for the next candle just to see if it pulls back. If it doesn't pull back, I enter right away. All right, so let's go. Well, here, my TP1 would have been like right here, man. Let me just draw a line there. I mean, it's almost there already. I'm sure it's going to go there. I would have put it right here, like the top of this candle. Anyway, guys, this is just an example, man. It doesn't really matter. I just want to show you guys the indicators that we're using, really. Okay, my TP2 would be up here somewhere, but right now my stops would be at break even. And I would have closed like 75 to 80%. The lower, sometimes I'll do only 50%, but I usually close like 75% of the trade. I move my stops 2 pips to break even, and then I let it run to another area. Like, let's say it was going to be here. You know, I would have put a line. I would put a line right here. You would see it on the chart. I'll just put it here. So let me see if it comes. Wasn't ready for that. See what I mean? Oh, that's the wrong one. I'm sorry, guys. Like I told you I'm a caveman. But if I just put a line, that's because it's not it's a box. That's why. Here we go. So you would see, I would have it like this is how it would look on the chart when we're doing it live. I put a green line that says closing full. Okay, that's how I do it when we're trading live. So right now we're in a risk-free trade, and it doesn't really matter what it does, guys. I don't even care. But the point is, guys, we do this every day live. Give me a like, please, on this video. Share it. Okay, we got 14 wins in a row. We are rocking it, bro. Okay, now when I got all this here, I probably would have moved my stop loss up to here now. You know, because I don't like to give nothing back, man. I'm all about preserving our capital. You see, it just added another demand zone. Yeah, we got to protect our capital, man. That's the main goal. Okay, we would have got out right here. Anyway, guys, that's just an example, man. It's a fake trade. So anyway, guys, that's the. I also use a fair value gap indicator. Sometimes we'll take a trade off a fair value gap. Let me see. That is fair value gap by nephew Sam. This indicator, like I said, is FluidTrades SMC Lite. We got the daily bias indicator. I also use TradeSharp session bias. Okay, like I said, I'm going to list these. They're all free, guys. All right, but come check us out, man. All right, come check us out. Come trade with us, man. We're a new channel. You know, I got like, I don't know, 10 subscribers as I make this video. No one knows about us, but we're rocking and rolling. Anyway, guys, thank you, man. Stay blessed. All right, looking forward to meeting you guys, man. Let's rock, bro. Let's get it. All right, guys, thank you.